Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to install the latest version of Android Studio and run a simple Android project. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and type Android Studio download and press enter. Open the first link. Currently, while recording this video, the Ladybug version is the latest version. By the time you are installing this setup, the version might be changed, but the overall process would be the same. To download the Android Studio, click on the download button and accept the terms and conditions. Click on the download button and wait for some time until the download is finished. Once the download is finished, click on it to install. Wait for some time until it loads and verify the installer. Now you will see Welcome to Android Studio Setup. Click on Next. Under the Choose Components option, click on the Android Virtual Device option and uncheck the checkbox. This will allow you not to install the Android virtual device. This is because I'm pretty much sure that everybody are already using at least one Android phone. You can use that Android phone as your virtual device. This also helps you to make the Android Studio light and run effectively. Once you are done, click on Next. Now, change the location if you want and click on Next. Now click on Install and wait for some time until the process is completed. Once the installation process is completed, click on Next. Now click on Finish. This will automatically open the Android Studio. Once the Android Studio is opened, you will see a message that asks you whether you want to send data to Android Studio. Click on Don't Send. Once the Android Studio opens, click on the new project. Now choose Empty Activity and click on Next. Now change the name of the app as per your preference. Now, under the Minimum SDK, choose the option that says Nougat, Android 7.0. This will ensure that the app will run on 97% devices. Also, there is an option to change the language. Currently, I will be using Kotlin DSL. Once everything is set, click on Finish. Once everything is set, it will load files. This process will take 15 minutes to 20 minutes, depending upon the configurations of your PC. Once the processing is finished, click on the app. Now click on Kotlin plus Java. Click on the first Hello Android app. Here you will find the main activity file. This is the file where we make changes to the code. Once the file is opened, click on the Split Window option. Now you can see that it is showing a successful build is needed. Click on Build and Refresh option. Wait for some time. For me, it is showing an error that I need to update the Compile SDK to the newer version. We can fix this error. Click on the Update MEN Compile SDK. Now, change the Compile SDK option to 35 and click on Do Refactor. Wait for some time until the process is completed. Once the process is completed, you can see that our Android program is running successfully. For the video purpose, we will just make some basic changes to the code and check whether it is running successfully or not. Under the composable, change the text name from hello to whatever you wish. Once the changes are done, the project will load and run automatically. You can see that the text has changed. Now I will show you how to run this Android program on your Android mobile. To do this first, you need to enable developer options on your mobile device. To do this, go to the About Device section on your phone and click on the build number for 7 times. For Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco phones, click on the OS version 7 times. Now you will see a message saying that you are a developer. Now open the settings of your phone and scroll down until you see the developer options. If you can't find the developer options in the settings, go to the additional settings. There you will see the developer options. Now, open that option and turn it on. Once it is turned on, you need to enable 2 options. The first option is USB debugging, and the other option is Install via USB. Once these settings are done, connect the phone to your PC via USB cable. Now, change the charging this device via USB to file transfer. Once you change this, you can see the device showing in your Android Studio app. Select the device and click on the Run button. Wait for some time. On your Android device, you will see a pop-up that shows Install the app via USB. Click on Install. Once it is installed, you can see that the app you created is successfully running on your Android device. That's it. You can now successfully run any app that you created on Android Studio and test it on your Android device. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye.